Hi, I'm Jamie Syke and I'm the beauty director at Violet Grey.
I'm Joanna Czech. I'm an aesthetician, founder of Joanna Czech Studio in Dallas, skin lover, and I'm going to introduce you today to this new massager with a few tips how to use it.
So, can you use product with this? Do you not need to use product?
After cleansing your face, you can start first with warming up skin and muscles and stimulating it, and then follow with the products.
Okay.
But also you can work with the product, your favorite massage oil, your favorite serum. Of course, my favorite is Vintner's Daughter. I've been in business, Jamie, for 33 years, so as a standalone product, it's by far my favorite. Brilliant mixture of 22 actives. Works on acneic skins, works on reactive skins, dehydrated skin, skins showing premature aging, creates tons of comfort. If you love 17 step, it's great.
Yeah.
But if you are more like myself, New Yorker, and I would do great with 3 steps,
Yeah.
that would be the serum to go to. Spreading product initially, then a little press release motion. At the moment I really used just the third of pipette, not much. And I will start with the roller. 3 to 5 movements. For massage technique, handle goes first and the rollers follow. And that's only when you will achieve that grasping feeling of a skin and a muscle. So it's jawline, grasping the lip, then the cheekbone, then slightly under the eye, that would be a little softer movement, then brow muscle, and then about 3 times with 45 degrees along the forehead, and you can go ahead and work straight into a hairline. If frame is stimulated and tighter and so on, that's gonna keep everything lifted. And then I go to the larger muscle, which are the neck muscles.
Okay.
Only at the end for massage. It's the largest muscle. We don't want to stimulate it initially because it's gonna pull the muscles of the face. Another massaging option could be your decollete, part that we don't pay attention enough, but between, basically starting on around your jawline, neck and decollete have about 40% less of lipidic layer because there are no sebaceous glands in this area. That's why this aging process of between the breast lines, neck lines, even at 18, 25 and so on, they are quite noticeable. And I believe in massage as a super preventive treatment. Start in the center,
here,
very
in the
important.
center, okay.
Yes, going to the ear 3 times. Just mild pressure. Then grasp the lips. So sort of under the cheekbone, about 3 times. Then the cheek to the temple area. And now let's do just with the top roll, gentler movement below the eye. And then again, brow muscle, about 3 times. And this is 45 degrees. Frontalis, that's the largest muscle among those 43 on our face. And then the neck, from the base of the neck, just the way perfect, to the very top. You can also work on your headache just like that by holding even the pressure. Another method for using the roller is, it could be for a drainage. I like to refer to it as a drainage or depuffing method. We're gonna actually start on the neck with a large group of lymph nodes. So first you want to semicircular movement about 5 times, and then you go to another large group, about 5 times remaining, and this one, barely any pressure. Leading with the rollers, following with the handle, and bringing it down again. That's very important to always, so about 3 times, bring it down. About 5 circular motions semicircular, just to stimulate this area, and very slowly and gently down. Stimulate this, and we do it about 3 times. From the center, 3 times.
Yeah, you can't even grasp it.
That's
that much.
exactly. Yeah. And then, so this is a little more complicated. No.
Oh, I'm okay. Then I feel it. I feel it.
Yes, that, yes.
Grasp it more.
And then you would be massaging against the rolls down. Yes. You can also use the roller with the mask.
Okay.
I run hot water. When the mask is still in an envelope. I put it for a few minutes under hot water.
Okay.
You are warmed up from the massage. You apply the product. You apply the warm mask, and then you seal it with a cold roller. So then everything is trapped. Apply your sheet mask. Yes, it's
so creepy on camera.
Fantastic look. And for this one, that's going to be mainly use the massage technique. If you massaged before, you don't need to spend so much time. It's almost working more of a product in any serums that mask contains. I personally love Medder sheet masks, 111 skin. I love Tatcha sheet mask. What else? I mean, there's so many.
Yeah, there's so many good ones. SK2.
SK2 has fabulous one. The envelope contains extra serum. I put it on the neck and décolleté, and that's the part of the treatment. Once I'm done with the massaging, I also use very often just a sheet.
Never waste that product.
No. And then one more thing. Seriously, don't forget those, because we neglect necks and hands. And then the very final one, simple one, working the product into your skin. If you don't want to do too much patting, if you don't want to do too much circular motion, you apply the cream, but you want it to just go a drop deeper, quick and very short. So you almost don't recognize when your skin is being grasped and when it's not. Quick crisscross motion. That literally this. And just remembering to cover the whole. Yeah.
Great.
That's it.